Hi everyone, Alex here, continuing with our Ninja Carrier series. This is part 7. This is the final part, and we're just gonna re-add the connectors. That's all. See you in Revit. Let's create our first pipe connector. Let's do the waste inlet. Create pipe connector. Click on this face. Click on the connector. Change the diameter to our waste inlet outlet. System classification, also fitting. And finally, the outlet. So we go create, pipe connector, click on the outlet, click on the connector, diameter, we want to associate it to the waste inlet outlet. And then for system classification, it's going to be fitting, pipe connector. For that, we're going to use the face. We're going to click right here. We're going to click on our connector, fix our diameter associated to toilet inlet, click OK. We want to make this system classification sanitary. We want to make the flow configuration fixture unit, and then the flow direction is in, and then for the loss method you can just say something like specific loss. And we want to make this system classification a fitting. And finally our vent, so we go create, pipe connector, click on the face. We haven't defined that parameter, so let's go ahead and define it now. New parameter, it's going to be vent diameter. It's going to be an instance. Discipline is going to be piping. Type is going to be pipe size. We can group under plumbing again. Click OK. I'm going to give that diameter 2 inches. And then to be consistent with the naming, we should add the word diameter to each one of these guys. So toilet inlet, diameter. And then waste inlet and outlet, diameter. Click OK. Now we click here. We want to associate that with our vent diameter. And we want to make our system classification also fitting.